So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money just by doing nothing. I stumbled upon this app just a couple of months ago and have been trying it out, and it actually makes you money. This is how you're actually going to make money. All you've got to do is just open the app and start browsing on TikTok, Instagram, or start watching YouTube videos, and you're going to be making money, bro. Like, this app is crazy. So if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Steven. On this channel I show you guys how to make money online using just your phone and your laptop. So if you're interested in such content, make sure to subscribe. So all you've got to do is just go to Play Store or App Store and download this particular app. But you can go to the description and click the link over there to download this particular app. So the name of this app is let me just show you guys on my iPhone real quick. But something real quick, I just downloaded this app on my iPhone. Is it iPhone? I just downloaded this app on my iPhone, bro. So I'm going to be showing you on my iPhone, but the main app I've been using is on my phone, the one I'm using to record this video right now, and I've made a lot of money from it, bro, over the past couple of months, bro. So let's start the video real quick. So first things first, you have to make sure your data is on and you head to App Store or Play Store. But since I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to go to my App Store. Right, so if you get to the App Store, you've got to search, you have to search Repocket. So if you find Repocket, then just go ahead and download it. This is how it looks like. So since I've already downloaded it, that is why we have open right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it to show you guys how it actually works. So this is how it works. Now let me explain Repocket. Repocket is an app which runs in the background, or it's an app that monetizes your unused internet data. So I don't know how they do it, but it says, or they claim they're going to monetize your unused internet data, and you literally actually make money from it. But listen, it's not much, but it is much for listen to me, but it is much for people who actually watch YouTube videos or have their data on almost all the time. So if you are someone who have your data on almost all the time, rest assured you're going to be making a lot of money. So right after you download this particular app and you sign up with your email account, you're going to be getting a $5 deposit like right away. So as you guys can see here, we have pending. I earned 0.001. Now I just switched on my data just a few minutes ago trying to test this out to see if it works on my iPhone. That is why you guys are seeing this amount of money right here. So you can see I have a balance of $5 right here. Now right under the balance, you can see we have pending. So with the pending, the reason why this is there because you have to make sure the bar or the line there reaches 100%. So if it gets to 100%, you'll be able to withdraw your money through PayPal account. Now the reason why you see good quality at the very top is because the network quality for or the internet connection is really good. That is why you're going to see good quality. So if it's a bad connection, you're going to be seeing bad. If it is somehow, you're going to be seeing all those over there. Now listen, you're not going to be making much money. This is a secret that most of them are not telling you. You're not going to be making much money with this app if you use Wi-Fi. But if you're using an actual internet data connection, you're going to be making a lot of money, and trust me, it's going to be a lot. So this is the interface right here. You can see we have today, we have weekly, we have monthly, and with that you're going to be seeing the amount of money you have earned monthly right here. So if we scroll down to this section right here, it says you can join our community, but let's just forget about that. Now this is the most interesting part. Listen closely, guys. Refer friends and get 10% lifetime commission plus $5 deposit. So if you refer someone to this particular app, you're going to be getting a $5 deposit, plus you're going to be getting 10% each time they make money with this particular app. Now this is crazy. You can make a lot of money just being an affiliate marketer for this particular app. So if we click on this section right here, right at the bottom, you can see we have the home and we have the referrals. So if you click on the referrals, it's going to bring you to this section right here. So what you're going to do is, you can see we have refer a friend and we have payouts bonus. That is the $5 you're going to be receiving if someone uses your affiliate link. And we have the lifetime commission, that is the 10% over here, and you can just click on how it works to see how it works, but just forget about it. So you can click on copy to copy this link and send it to other people. So if you scroll down here, you can see we have the earnings and you can see all the people who use your affiliate links. The time I downloaded this particular app that I was testing it out, this offer section wasn't available. So it is really new to me, so I have not tried it out yet. So you guys can just go ahead and try it out and just say something about it in the comment section. And one thing is, since I'm in Ghana, most of the survey online are not available in my country. Most of them are not available. So even if I select them, I'm not going to be making any money with them. But let me explain something real quick for you guys to understand. We have the offer wall balance. Now that is the amount of money you are going to be making. So with these surveys, sometimes they might actually download a certain app and run it for about, let's say, 30 seconds. You're going to be making money. Or sometimes they might actually to complete a survey, just as you can see right here. Here it says CPX daily survey, and here it says complete a survey, and the reward you're going to be earning is 28 points. So after you're done completing the survey, you can see your earnings at the top section right here. So the amount of money you're going to be making will be transferred to actual money and to be added to your balance, so you can withdraw it out really quickly. Now, since I'm in a country that does not support all these surveys, they have strictly said over here saying VPN used is not allowed to complete survey. You get what I'm saying? So I have no other option than not to use the survey option. But if you click on the more over here, this is actually really important. I can't believe I forgot to tell you guys. So right after you download the app, what they are going to do is they are going to ask you to allow some permission, that is to let it run in the background and to use your internet data and all this kind of stuff. Don't worry, just allow it. That is how you're going to be making money. So right now that my data is on, I'm going to be making money just for doing nothing, bro. So let me show you guys something real quick. So just as I was saying earlier, right now you can see the internet connection is bad, so it has written bad quality over there. Now if you click on the more section right here, this is what I wanted to show you. Right after downloading the app, if you fail to give the permissions and all those kind of stuff, come to this section right here and make sure this is allowed. That is the green section right here where it says share internet. So if you click on it, you can just click on it back to make sure it uses your internet data. And don't worry, it's not going to be using like crazy, no, just a smaller amount. Probably the highest amount that I've seen it uses 50 megabytes, and with that I had my data on the whole day. Most of the time the internet connection was really bad, so I don't know for you guys. So make sure these two are enabled to make money with this particular app. Now listen to this secret hack, bro. I don't even know why I did not log in with my actual account on this app. Right after downloading the app, you can use one account on multiple devices. So if you are someone who have 2, 3 or 4 phones, or you can use other phones in your household, and what you're going to do is you're going to come to this section right here where it says devices list. You click on it and it's going to open right here. You can see iPhone and it says activate now. Now listen to this right here. Pro tip: use RealPocket on other devices to maximize your earning. Simply install the app on other devices and log into your existing account. You get what I'm trying to say? So if you install the app on other devices, you'll be able to log into your account using the same email. You'll be able to make money from several devices, and I mean from several devices. There are other similar apps like this, so if you guys want to see more apps like this in the future, make sure to say something about it in the comment section. Now that is it for today. So if you guys found this video interesting, make sure to leave a like and click the subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. See you in the next one. Peace.